welcome to another video of World of Amulets. In this video I would like to show you the special amulet of Agares, which is made with the special design of Terra Incognita, with the two binding sigils at the top, the empowering signals on the left and right. Below the design there's the writing for Terra Incognita, and in the center you will find the sigil of Agares. Agares is a very special demon and is very suitable for people who are a little bit shy. But he's also very suitable for people who like to work in the garden. The offerings for Agares are carnation, sandalwood, steel and myrrh. He corresponds to the sign of Aries. He is very kind and he can be very helpful if you want to learn a language, grow a garden and for social contacts. He also nurtures friendships. He is the second spirit of the Ars Goetia, and he is a duke. This is one of the 200 amulets we have available at worldofamulets.com, available in sterling silver or stainless steel, 30 millimeters in diameter. Just hop over to worldofamulets.com. You will get a special discount, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.